Today we're gonna make living fruit vinegar. Chop up all the old fruits that you have. You can actually use your apple peels that you didn't use for your apple pie. Watch your fingers. Let's throw some pear in there without the sticker. Let's put them in here. This will be a pear, plum, apple vinegar. Everything goes in there. And let's do a bonus banana. I just use them for the extra sugar. Banana vinegar is quite amazing. Now, you just pour some water. Now, every day, give your vinegar a stir and put a cloth on it. And after a couple days, it's gonna be starting to bubble. I'm gonna show you one that's bubbling now. You see them? Watch this. Every day I stir. This is a hawthorn vinegar with rose hips. And this one is now complete. We can see that there's pretty much no more bubbles and it smells quite acidic. And now it's ready to be bottled with the wide mouth funnels. And this, I'm just gonna put a cloth on it. Now you don't need to do any stirring. Just leave it and the vinegar mother will grow all on her own. Just put her in a quiet corner somewhere for the next 2 or 3 weeks. This is a result, very delicate hawthorn vinegar mother. So this is the finished vinegar. Now I'm just gonna filter it into a narrow mouthed bottle. And that will settle and soon look like this.